Want to make your PayPal buttons actually look good on your website? PayPal has changed some things since my last video, so in this video I'll show you the updated process for how to customize a PayPal button for your website and emails, step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your PayPal account. Go to Pay and Get Paid and click Create Payment Links and Buttons. If you don't see this option, you may need to upgrade your account to a business account. Now let's set up the button. Select to only use the payment buttons and enter the name and price of your product. And set the other details as needed. Go to checkout, and if it's a digital product you won't need to collect the customer's shipping address. So I'm going to turn this off and go to confirmation. Here you can set the link to your success page if you have one. Then click build it. Go to payment link and copy this link. If you have an older button already set up, you can click this link to go to your saved links and buttons. On older buttons it will look a little different. Click open and click view code. Then click email link and copy this link. If you're using a page builder like Squarespace, Showit or WordPress with Beaver Builder, Divi or Elementor, you can just add a button element to the page. Paste your PayPal link in the URL or link field for the button and set the button text to something like Buy Now or Get Instant Access. Use button text that's specific and tells people exactly what action to take. It's more effective than a generic pay button. In most page builders you can also add an icon to the button. Choose a background color and text color that match your brand if it doesn't already, and make sure it's easy to read. Most of the time your button will use your site's colors and styles, so it will fit right in with your brand. If you want to add the PayPal button to an email, it's just as easy. In most email platforms you can add a button to your email. In MailerLite you would go to Elements, select button and drag it over into your email. Set the link by clicking insert link and pasting your PayPal URL. Change the text, and instead of an icon you could add an emoji. In Kit you can either type a slash or click the little plus and select a button. Type your text, add an emoji if you want to, and paste your PayPal link into the URL field. If you're using a different email provider you'll probably find a similar button block to use. This gives you a professional looking button in your email that links directly to your PayPal checkout. No coding needed. If you don't have a page builder and want more control over the look, or if your email tool doesn't have a button block, you can use a basic HTML link with some styling. I'm not going to cover all the code here, but you can find copy-paste HTML and CSS examples in my blog post linked below. Once your button is set up, always test it. Click it yourself to make sure it goes to the correct PayPal checkout page. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you want more tips and tutorials to help you create and launch your digital products and programs without the design and tech overwhelm, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you don't miss it when I post a new video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you're working on your sales page, check out my free sales page blueprint in the description to help you get more clicks and sales. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.